Yeah? I have an idea. Let's put you in the box.
The Christmas cat. There. Oh! Almost.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
Can I try with Putz now?
Yeah,
Putz, you
put
might
Putz in
actually
there.
like it in here. Hey, my baby. Hey, my baby.
It's Putz in the box. Aww. I want to.
It's okay.
Hi, Putz. Hi. Aww.
See?
I want to get in the box.
There you go. Isn't it comfy? Just don't tip over.
Are
But
we making a cute kitty video?
yep.
See? It's nice. Stay.
I don't think she wants to stay.
See, buddy? See?
Oh,
Putz is in there. Yeah. It's okay. Putz didn't get... Whoa!
Whoa. She jumped out.
Capture that?
No.
Oh.
Hi, Putz.
That would have been awesome having a cat
See?
come at you like that.
What if it's like that?
Like what, Mom?
Like this.
Oh.
Are you...
You didn't know?
Why don't they want to be in boxes?
They're not Nami.
I know. Namaste, we'd take like a 12-pack beer box.
Oh. Look what I just did. I blew pink wax onto the white tablecloth.
Good for you.